Hello students, in the previous class we discussed the concept that is the position of line with respect to the ellipse. So when it is outside to the ellipse, when it touches the ellipse, when it intersects the ellipse. So if it intersects the ellipse, then the 2 points of intersections are real and distinct. When it touches the ellipse, both the points of intersections coincident with one point. That point is called point of contact, and if it is outside to the ellipse, immediately both the points of intersections are imaginary. So the condition that the line y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is what? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So we can write the general equation of tangent to the ellipse in this standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is what? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. So that is the general tangent. With that help of the tangent, we can derive the equation of the director circle. What is director circle? The locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to the ellipse is known as director circle. Its equation is what? X square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. It is obtained by using the product of slopes m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. So what is m1 m2? y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square. Also we derived the condition that is the locus of foot of perpendicular drawn from focus to any tangent is nothing but the auxiliary circle. So we derived all these concepts with the help of the general equation of the tangent, that is y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Also we derived the equation of tangent at point p x1 y1 to the ellipse s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. It is particular tangent. What is that? xx1 by a square plus y1 by b square minus 1 equal to 0. It is equation of tangent at p x1 y1 to the ellipse s is equals to 0. If your point p x1 y1 is taken in the parametric form, that is p a cos theta comma b sin theta, then the equation of tangent at theta is what? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equals to 1. With the help of this equation, we can derive that the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is n square is equal to a square l square plus b square m square, and the point of contact is minus a square l by m comma minus b square m by m. With the help of all these concepts, let us do some of the basic problems related to tangents. Okay, let us begin the class, dears. This is the question. What is that? Find the equation of tangent and a normal to the ellipse at the point 2 comma minus 1. So from the question itself, it indicates the particular tangent. Am I correct or not? So at the point is given to you. Your point is 2 comma minus 1. This is the ellipse equation. X square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 equal to 0. No need to write in the standard form. Okay, what is the equation of tangent at x1 y1 to the ellipse s equal to 0? s1 equal to 0. It is enough to write s1 is equals to 0. So suppose the point, given point is x1 comma y1, that is equals to 2 comma minus 1. Equation of tangent is what? s1 equal to 0. What is s1 for that? xx1 plus 2 times of y by 1 minus 2 times of x plus x1 plus 6 times of y plus y1 plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the tangent at x1 comma y1 to the ellipse. So replace x1 by 2, y1 by minus 1. X into 2 plus 2 times of y into y1 is minus 1 minus 2 times of x plus x1 is 2 plus 6 times of y plus y1 is minus 1 plus 14 is equals to 0. So 2x and minus 2x gets cancelled here. Minus 2y minus 4, and we have plus 6y, and again that is minus 6 plus 14 is equals to 0. 6y minus 2y, that is 4y. This is minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 plus 14, that is plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have y plus 1 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent at 2 comma minus 1 to the ellipse. This is the line parallel to x-axis. So our normal parallel to y-axis, because angle between tangent and normal is 90 degrees. So equation of normal is of the form x plus some x1 is equals to 0 or x plus k equal to 0, whatever it may be. It is passing through what? My point 2 comma minus 1. Therefore 2 plus x1 equal to 0, x1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore x minus 2 equal to 0 or x equal to 2. X equal to 2 is the equation of normal and y equal to minus 1 is the equation of tangent at the point 2 comma minus 1 to our ellipse in this question. Understand? It is very easy for you. So if it is ellipse, then this is your point. You can draw the tangent and normal. Tangent is the line y plus 1 equal to 0, which is parallel to what? Your x-axis. So normal is parallel to y-axis. I think this may be the point. Then this is the tangent. This is the normal. Okay. This is your axis. So y plus 1 equal to 0 is the tangent equation and x minus 2 equal to 0 is the normal equation at the given point to your ellipse. Understand? No need to write in the standard form. S1 equal to 0 is the equation of tangent at the x1 y1 to the ellipse. Next one. Find the equation of tangents to 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144, which makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Which makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. That means length of x-intercept equal to length of y-intercept made by that line. What is our line? Tangent. To what? 9x square plus 16y square is equals to 144. Suppose, let us draw the rough diagram. This is your ellipse. We have to find out the equation of tangent to that ellipse. Suppose this is the tangent to this ellipse. That makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. So these two lengths must and should be equal. Then we have to find out this equation. Equation of any line makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis is of the form x plus y is equal to some k. Suppose this intercept is k, automatically this is also k from the given condition. Therefore, equation of any line makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis is of the form x plus y is equals to k. X plus y equal to k. So this can be written as y is equal to minus x plus k is tangent to the ellipse. It is tangent to ellipse. What is your ellipse? X square by, if you write in the standard form, x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse. What is the condition? Yes, c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Apply the condition. C square is equals to a square m square plus b square. What is our constant square? K square. So k square is equals to a square means 16, m square means minus 1 whole square, that is 1, plus b square is 9. So what is our k? Plus or minus 5. K square is 25. The value of k is plus or minus 25. So what is your answer? X plus y is equal to plus or minus 5. These are the equations of tangents to the ellipse. They are making equal intercept 5 units on the coordinate axis. So the another tangent may be like that. So these two tangents are parallel. And these are making equal intercepts 5 units. If it is 5, automatically this is also 5. 5 units. So in this manner we can crack this one. So any line that makes equal intercepts with the coordinate axis may be taken in the form x plus y is equals to k. Okay. See the next question. Find the value of k if this is the line is tangent to the ellipse. Very simple question. We are discussing very basic questions to understand the concept. So x square by 3 we are writing in the standard form plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. This is the given equation of the ellipse. We write that equation in the line form, that is the slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c, or you may apply lx plus my plus n equal to 0 form also. What is that? M square is equal to a square l square plus b square m square. So if you want to write in the very standard form, that is y is equal to minus 4x minus k, this is m is equals to minus 4 and constant is equals to minus k. What is the condition? The line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse. The condition is what? C square is equals to a square m square plus b square you have. C square means k square minus k whole square is nothing but k square. A square is 3, don't square again, this is itself a square. 3 into m square means minus 4 square, that is 16, plus b square means 1, that is 48 plus 1, 49. The value of k is plus or minus 7. So it is very easy for you. We are going to apply c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Before going to apply the condition, you make your line in the form of y is equal to mx plus c form. If you are not maintaining in this manner, directly you can apply also. It is of the form lx plus my plus n equal to 0. The condition is what? N square is equal to a square m square plus b square m square. Okay. Next one. Find the condition for the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p to be a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So, what is the line equation? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Now, it is of the form lx plus my plus n equal to 0. So, that means if it is minus p equal to 0. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0. Compare with lx plus my plus n equal to 0. We have L is equals to cos alpha, m is equals to sin alpha and n is equals to minus p. What is our condition? N square is equal to a square l square plus b square m square. The condition is n square is equal to a square l square plus b square m square. What is n square minus p whole square? We mean p square. A square means a square here. L square is cos square alpha plus b square into sin square alpha. That's all. Or you may convert the line in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and then you can apply the condition c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Then also you get the same condition. What is that? P square is equal to a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha. So this is the line. It is tangent to your ellipse. If you have no formula, you can directly derive this one also. Suppose the line is tangent at p of theta, say. What is the equation of tangent at p of theta? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Compare this equation with that one. You can find cos theta and sin theta. By squaring and adding itself, we can eliminate the value of theta and we get the same condition. That is, p square is equal to a square cos square alpha plus b square sin square alpha. So, you have so many methods to apply the condition of the tangency to the ellipse. Understand? See this one. Find the equations of tangent and normal to the ellipse. 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 11 at the point whose ordinate is 1. The point is given indirectly to you. Just they are given ordinate. That means y coordinate of the point is given to you. With the help of the y coordinate, you can find the x coordinate by substituting the point here itself, and then you can write the equation of tangent and normal. Equation of tangent at the particular point x1 comma y1 is what, my dears? S1 is equals to 0. Okay, so your abscissa is x1 say. x1 comma 1 is your point say. x1 comma y1 is 1 lies on your ellipse, that is what, 2x square plus 3y square is equals to 11. Substitute here, what happened? 2x1 square plus 3 is equals to 11. So 2x1 square is 8, x1 square is equals to 4, x1 equal to plus or minus 2. We have x1 is plus or minus 2. So what are the required points? Point P is equals to say 2 comma 1 and Q is equals to minus 2 comma 1. So at this point we can write the tangent and normal. At this point also we can write the tangent and normal. So what is the tangent at point x1 y1 to the ellipse s equal to 0? S1 equal to 0. So I am going to write S1 equal to 0. 2 times of x1 x into 2 plus 3 times of y1 y into y1 means 1 is equals to 11 or minus 11 is equals to 0. So what is the answer? 4x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. What is the slope of tangent? Minus 4 by 3. Slope of tangent m is minus 4 by 3. Normal slope is what? Normal slope is equals to 3 by 4. You have the point, you have the slope of normal. Can you write the equation of normal or not? Yes, you can easily write the equation of normal by y minus 1 is equal to 3 by 4 times of x minus 2. You can simplify this one, you get the normal equation. In the same manner, you can write the equation of tangent at Q is also S1 equal to 0. 2x into minus 2 plus 3y into 1 is equals to 11. Or take that one, 4x minus 3y plus 11 equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent at Q to the ellipse. What is the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is equals to minus 4 by minus 3. That is 4 by 3. Slope of normal is what? Slope of normal is minus 3 by 4. You have the slope of normal at the point. You know the point. You can write the equation of normal by the formula y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 4 times of x minus x1 minus of minus plus 2. Or 4y minus 4 is equal to minus 3x minus 6, and you can simplify that one. So this is the way to find out the equations of tangent and normal at the point which is given indirectly. That is in the sense of only ordinate is given to you. From that ordinate you can find the abscissa of the point also by substituting in this manner. Understand? Next one, find the equations to the tangents to the ellipse x square plus 2y square equal to 3 drawn from the point 1 comma 2. Drawn from the point 1 comma 2, and also find the angle between these tangents. Tangent at the point on the ellipse is nothing but s1 equal to 0. Here the problem, the point 1 comma 2 is outside to this ellipse. So we have to draw the tangents through that point to the ellipse. So we are going to find out the pair of tangents through that point to this ellipse. This is the target. So your ellipse is in this manner. So it is standard, if you write in the standard form, x square by 3 plus y square by 3 by 2 equal to 1. So a greater than b case, no problem. This is your ellipse. So what is your point? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is in the first quadrant. Suppose this is 1 comma 2. You have to draw the tangents. we have to find out the equations of these two tangents. Yes, this is the point which is not on the ellipse. If it is on your ellipse, you can write S1 equal to 0. Here you can't write S1 is equal to 0. You have to find out the equations of tangents through that point here. For this, you have to write the general tangent first of all, that is in the slope form. If it is our required tangent, substitute the point 1 comma 2 in that one and we get quadratic equation in M. Solve that. We have two slopes. With the help of the slopes, with this point 1 comma 2, you can write the pair of tangents through the point to the ellipse. Okay. The equation of any tangent to the ellipse. The equation of any tangent to the ellipse is y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square means 3m square plus b square is nothing but 3 by 2. A square m square plus b square. If it is passing through 1 comma 2, if it is passing through 1 comma 2, what happened? Substitute y by 2 and x by 1. 2 is equals to m plus or minus root of 3m square plus 3 by 2. By solving this equation, we obtain slopes, required slopes. You know the point also. You can write the equation of tangent. After getting the m value, don't substitute here itself. Because once if you substitute, obtain two m values here, we obtain 4 equations, in which 2 of them are success, 2 of them are fail. So to avoid that situation, we have to write again the equations by just using the slope and that point itself. Understand? So 2 minus m whole square is equal to 3m square plus 3 by 2 implies 4 plus m square minus 4m is equals to 3m square plus 3 by 2. Now cross multiplying, 2 fours are 8 plus 2m square minus 8m is equals to 6m square plus 3. 6m square minus 2m square, we have 4m square. Next what? This is minus 8m coming to the right side, that is plus 8m. Plus 8m, and this is 8 when it is coming to the right side, minus 8 plus 3, that is minus 5 is equal to 0. Clearly it is a quadratic equation in M. It has two roots. These are slopes of tangents through my point 1 comma 2. 5 fours are 20. So 4m square plus 10 twos are 20. 10m minus 2m minus 5 equal to 0. So you can take 2m common. 2m plus 5 minus 1 times of 2m plus 5 is equal to 0. So we have m is equals to 1 by 2 and m is equals to minus 5 by 2. Don't substitute these m values here because we get 4 equations in which 2 of them are success, 2 of them are failure. So leave that tangent. After getting the m values, take the point and write the equation. So what is the equation? Y minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 times of x minus 1. That is 2y minus 4 is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 is one equation. In the same manner, replace that 1 by 2 by minus 5 by 2. We get another equation. That is y minus 2 is equals to, what is that? Minus 5 by 2 times of x minus 1. So 2y minus 4 is equal to minus 5x plus 5. So 5x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. 5x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0 is the one equation. and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 is the another equation. These are equations of tangents through my point 1 comma 2 to the ellipse. This is the way to find the equation of tangents through the point which is outside to your ellipse. Okay. See this question. Find the equation of tangents to the ellipse 2x square plus y square is equal to 8, which are, the first bit is parallel to x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, perpendicular to x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, and third one is makes an angle pi by 4 with x-axis. These are the three questions. In this question, we have to find out the equations of tangents to this ellipse. They are satisfying the conditions. For the first problem, parallel to that one. Second problem, perpendicular to the another line. For the third problem, that the tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with your x-axis. Understand? So, first of all, we consider the equation of ellipse, that is 2x square plus y square is equal to 8. So, can you write in the standard form or not? Yes, x square by 4 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1. So, we have a square equal to 4 and b square is equals to 8. Can you write the general equation of tangent to this one or not? We can easily write the general equation of tangent, that is in the slope form, as what? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. So, the equation of any tangent, to 1, suppose it is 1, to 1 is what? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. That is what? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square means 4 m square plus b square means 8. That's all. This is any tangent. So, first question. If this is tangent parallel to our line x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Suppose this is the ellipse because a less than b case. Suppose it is our line x minus 2y plus minus 4 equal to 0, rough diagram, you are going to find out the equation of tangent that is parallel to that line. And so we are finding the tangent. So for the first problem, this is equation number 1. If Roman 1 is parallel to line x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 1 is parallel to that one, their slopes must and should be equal. Implies, what is your m value? M is equal to slope of that line is what? Minus 1 by minus 2, that is 1 by 2. Just to substitute m value here itself, we obtain the equations. There exist two tangents, there exist two parallel tangents to that line, that is parallel. Okay, substitute m is equal to 1 by 2, we have y is equal to 1 by 2x plus or minus root of 4 into 1 by 4 plus 8 is there. 4 gets cancelled, 3. So, 2y is equal to x plus or minus 6. 3 2s are 6. X minus 2y plus or minus 6 equal to 0 is the answer. For the second bit, if 1 is perpendicular to what? X plus y plus 2 equal to 0. How to obtain the equation now? Product of slopes equal to minus 1 here. Product of slopes is minus 1. That means m into minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So we have m equal to 1. Substitute m equal to 1 here, we obtain the required equation. What is that? For m equal to 1, y is equal to x plus or minus, for m is equals to root 12, 4 3s, that is 2 root 3. Y is equal to x plus or minus 2 root 3 is the equation of tangent to the same ellipse which is perpendicular to our given line, that is x plus y is equals to minus 2. Suppose it is our ellipse. I am writing rough diagram. This is your line, x plus y is equals to minus 2. We are drawing tangents to this ellipse which are perpendicular to the line. Your line is in this manner. These are two tangents to our ellipse which are perpendicular to that. So the only condition is here product of slopes is minus 1. Here the slopes are equal. And what is the third way? Which makes angle pi by 4 with x-axis. Suppose it is your required line that makes an angle pi by 4 with x-axis. We mean m is equals to 1. Tan 45 is 1. So m is equals to 1. So the equation becomes what? Y is equals to x plus or minus root 12. Same manner, 2 root 3. Y is equals to x plus or minus 2 root 3. Because slope of the line is here, m equal to 1. For here also m equal to 1. Both the answers are same. So in this manner, we can write the equation of tangent to the ellipse which is parallel to some line or perpendicular to some line or that makes angle something. That may be here pi by 4 or pi by 3, whatever it may be. Write the general tangent, find the corresponding m. We can easily write the equations of tangents to the ellipse. Next one. This is the question. A circle of radius 4. What is the radius? 4 units. Is concentric with the ellipse 3x square plus 13y square is equal to 78. There is a circle of radius 4 units. Its center coincides with the center of that ellipse. Prove that a common tangent is inclined to the major axis at angle pi by 4. What do you have to prove? We have to prove that the common tangent to the both the curves, one is circle and other one is ellipse, that makes an angle pi by 4 with the major axis, that is x-axis. So indirectly they are asking finding the slope of the common tangent to the both curves. Same center means what is the center of this ellipse? 0, 0. So our center of circle is also 0, 0. So first of all we write this equation in the standard form. X square by 78 by 3, 3 2's and 18, 3 6 are 18. X square by 26 plus y square by 6. 6 10s are 60, 3 6 are 18, that is 78. X square by 26 plus y square by 6 is equals to 1. Its center is 0, 0. So write the equation of circle with center at 0, 0. We mean x square plus y square having radius 4 units, r square is 16. These are the two curves. Okay, if you write the diagram, this is your ellipse. What is the length of the major axis? 2 root 26. Okay, minor axis length is root 6 and 2 root 6. Radius of the circle is what? 4 units. So we obtain the common tangent only when the circle touches the ellipse or intersects the ellipse. It is only the possibility. Your circle is inside of the ellipse, there is not possibility. There is no possibility to write the common tangent. So from the length itself, your ellipse intersects the circle at 4 points in this manner. 4 points as shown in this figure. So these are the 4 points of intersections. You can write the common tangent. This is the common tangent. This is another common tangent. This is also common tangent. This is also a common tangent. We have to find the slope of common tangent. Then its inclination, corresponding inclination is you have to show that pi by 4. So how to start this one? Let y equal to mx plus c be the common tangent. If you show m is equal to 1, then your job is over. Y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the ellipse. What is the condition? C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. What is your a square? 26. a square m square plus b square. B square means 6. This is the line which is tangent to the circle. What is the condition? R equal to D. Radius of the circle is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. After applying that condition, we get c square is equal to a square times of 1 plus m square. So applying the perpendicular distance 0, 0 to that line, modulus of c by root of 1 plus m square is equals to 4. R is equal to D. And then by cross multiplying, we get c square is equal to 16 m square plus 16. 16 into 1 plus m square, that is 16 m square plus 16. By equating both constants, squares, we get 26 m square plus 6 is equal to 16 m square plus 16. So 10 m square is equals to 10. M square is equals to 1. Therefore, the possible values of m are plus or minus 1. For m equal to 1, the tangent makes an inclination pi by 4 with the x-axis. This is your x-axis. This is the tangent that makes an angle pi by 4. So, for m equal to 1, we can write the equation of tangent also. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. That is the tangent. But they are not asking the equation of common tangent. Just they are asking the common tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with the axis, whether it is correct or not. Okay, so the common tangent makes an angle pi by 4 for m is equals to 1. Understand? It is also a very easy problem to you. So your circle intersects the ellipse at 4 points, then we get the common tangent. Is it possible or not? Here one circle of radius r units intersects the ellipse, one and only the condition is b less than r less than a. Then only the circle intersects your ellipse at 4 points. B. What is b here? Root 6. What is a here? Root 26. What is r? 4. Root 6 less than 4 less than root 26. Am I correct? That is why we are obtaining this band. Next one. Show that the foot of perpendicular drawn from center on any tangent to the ellipse lies on the curve. X square plus y square whole square equal to a square x square plus b square y square. That means the locus of foot of perpendicular drawn from center to any tangent of the ellipse is this one. Your ellipse means the standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So we have to draw the perpendicular from where to where? Center to the tangent. Center to tangent. This is your ellipse. This is the center. It is any tangent to the ellipse. We have to draw the perpendicular from center to that one. You get foot. You have to show that that foot lies on this curve. That is the concept. So equation of any tangent to the ellipse is what? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. This is the center origin. So the foot is say px1 comma y1. So how to start that one? Let px1 comma y1 be the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the tangent. What is that? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. That is your first step. What is the step? Px1 y1 is foot of perpendicular drawn from C00 to the tangent. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Immediately your foot lies on that line or not? Yes. Substitute that one first of all. Y1 is equals to mx1 plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Implies we have the condition y1 minus mx1 whole square is equals to a square m square plus b square. This is equation number 1. By substituting the foot on the line itself. What is the next condition? The angle between these two lines is what? 90 degrees. So product of slopes must and should be minus 1. What is the slope of tangent, my dears? M. And the slope of CP is what? Y1 by 0. Y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 0. So y1 by x1 is equals to 1. So what is the value of m? Minus x1 by y1. So substitute m value here itself, we get the required condition. From that condition, we conclude that x1, y1 lies on our curve. So y1 minus into minus plus x1 by y1 into x1 whole square is equal to a square times of x1 square by y1 square plus b square. Okay, implies y1 square plus x1 square whole square by y1 square is equal to a square x1 square plus b square y1 square by y1 square. Y1 square gets cancelled. Therefore, x1 y1 lies on that curve or not. Therefore, clearly x1 comma y1 lies on what? X square plus y square whole square is equal to a square x square plus b square y square. Hence the result. Understand? So we are using only the two concepts. One is your foot lies on that line, that is the first concept, and product of slopes is minus 1 because these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. If a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b, meets its major axis and minor axis at m and n respectively. This is the question. Then you have to prove that x square by cm square plus y square by cn square is 1, where c is the center of the ellipse. It is also a very simple question. So what is the equation of ellipse here? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is your ellipse equation. This is the ellipse. These are the coordinate axes. These are the major and minor axis of your ellipse. If a tangent to the ellipse meets its major axis and minor axis at m and n respectively. This is my point. If you draw the tangent at that point to the ellipse, meets the major axis at capital M and minor axis at capital N respectively. C is the center of the ellipse. Then this is CM and this is CN. You have to show that x square by cm square plus y square by cn square is equals to 1. Suppose this is my point P of theta. Now, equation of tangent at P of theta is what? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equals to 1. This is the equation of tangent at theta to the ellipse. Now, if you write this equation in the intercept form, you can obtain easily Cm and Cn lengths. So, x by a by cos theta plus y by b by sin theta is equal to 1. From that, this is x-intercept, we mean Cm. Cm is equals to a by cos theta and Cn is equals to b by sin theta. By using Cm and Cn, just to substitute here, we have to show that that one is 1. X square by a square. A square means what? X square by Cm square. Cm square means a square by cos square theta. Plus, this is I think a square by Cm square. This is b square by Cn square. A small correction is there. This is a square by Cm square. This is b square by Cn square. So this is a square by cos square theta and b square by sin square theta. B square and a square gets cancelled. We have cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the value? That is 1. If it is x and y, that is variable. It never 1. So replace x by a and replace y by b. This is a small correction for you. You have to show that a square by Cm square plus b square by Cn square is 1. Just by writing the tangent equation in the intercept form, you can easily crack this one. What is the answer? 1. So a square by cm square plus b square by cn square is 1. This is the next question. Pn is ordinate of a point P on the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and the tangent at P meets the x-axis at T, then show that Cn into Ct is equals to a square, where C is the center of the ellipse. So, with the help of the given condition, let us draw the rough diagram. This is ellipse. These are the major and minor axis. Your major axis is from here to here, that is along x-axis. This is the minor axis along y-axis. P is the point on the ellipse. Pn is ordinate. Pn is ordinate of the point. And draw the tangent at that point P to the ellipse. Meets the x-axis at T. This is the center of the ellipse. We have to show that Cn into Ct is constant, that is equal to a square. Understand? How to do this one? In the same manner, suppose the tangent at theta to the ellipse meets the major axis at T say, as shown in this figure. What is the equation of tangent at P? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equals to 1. It meets x-axis, we mean put y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0, what we get? X by a cos theta is equals to 1, implies x is equals to a by cos theta. So, what are the coordinates of t? T is equals to a by cos theta comma 0. Therefore, Ct is what? A by cos theta. Now, what are the coordinates of P? A cos theta comma B sin theta. So, the distance from here to here is A cos theta. It is also A cos theta. Cn is equals to A cos theta. The game is over. Cn into Ct is equals to A by cos theta into A cos theta. So, A by cos theta into A cos theta gets cancelled, we have A square. So, it is also a very simple problem for you. Cn into Ct is equal to A square. In the same manner, if your tangent meets the minor axis at T dash, and this is the value, this is the point M, then Cn into Ct dash is also, we can prove that it one as B square. So, Cm into Ct dash. Draw the perpendicular from P to the y-axis, that is the minor axis, that is at M say. Then we have to show that Cm into Ct dash is also B square. Right? What is the coordinates of, what are the coordinates of M here? 0, comma b by sin theta. 0, comma b by sin theta, this is b sin theta, the distance Ct dash is b sin theta into b by sin theta, what is that? B square. So, Cm into Ct is equals to A square and Cm into Ct dash is equals to B square. So, just by writing the equation of tangent at parametric point theta and write that equation into the form, intersect form, or you may solve with x-axis and y-axis, you get the coordinates T and T dash, and you can easily find the distances Cm and Ct. We can product them, you get the value A square. So, it is very simple for you. Thank you very much.